This will probably be the shortest video I've ever made, but this is something I think you would like to know. I really like Rustoleum spray paint, but the nozzles tend to clog, and sometimes the can itself will clog. This could apply to other paints as well. To blow out the black nozzle from the white cap, do this. Use your air gun to blow through the center of the bottom of the cap as you see here, but keep your finger over the outside black part so it doesn't fly off and get lost. The black orifice part of the cap will blow out, then you can clean it with a fine wire or a small drill bit, in this case a 15 thousandths. This is what the cap without the nozzle will look like. Using a toothpick or your drill bit, clean out around the outer edge of this cap, but don't mess with the slots. Use a drill bit or a fine wire to clean the black orifice. After you have blown out the cap thoroughly, then snap the black orifice back into the cap, and you're finished. Shake Rustoleum paint for 2 to 3 minutes, because if the tube inside the can gets clogged, there's nothing you can do but throw it away or return it. I save old paint nozzles and soak them in mineral spirits to use later if I need them. This video from Bill Taylor, retired professional mechanic and shop owner.